Hello. Hello, girls. Hello.
Madam,
Okay, Nana. Start now, class.
okay, madam.
Our class today.
Okay, madam.
We are discuss today electoral politics in India. Electoral politics in India. Today our topic. So, political parties are a very essential in any political system to act as a link between the citizens and the government and between the electorate and the respective representative institutions. Political parties bring awareness among the people on various political issues and help in formation of opinions. Further, a political parties articulate the interests of the people and ventilate the grievance before the government. Sometimes a political parties also resort to various forms of protects against the decisions of the government, which they term it as anti-people and organize a political movement. Political movements. So, electoral system or the detailed constitutional arrangement and voting systems that convert the vote into a political decisions. The first step is to tally the votes for which various vote continuing systems and ballot types are used voting systems. The determine the results on the basics of the tally. Understand goals? Elections, various type of elections. Hello? Understand class? Hello? Hello? Understand girls? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Nana. Members of a Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha means House of the People. Tell me, girls. Hello? Members of Lok Sabha.
వాయిస్ క్లియర్గా లేదు మేడం.
Weather is not support. Okay, na? Weather is not support, girls. Rain falling our college. Okay, na?
ఓకే మేడం.
Okay, Nana.
మేడం.
Okay, Nana. Okay. Respond. Anyone respond, Nana? Sony is waiting. She is lobby. Not open our class. Wait, Nana. Sony is lobby. I invite. So, members of Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha means House of the People or a lower house of India's Parliament are elected by being voted upon by all adult citizens of India from a set of candidates who stand in their respective constitutions. Elections take place once in a system. Take place one in 5 years to elect Lok Sabha members 545 for the Lok Sabha lower house. Lok Sabha means lower house. 540 members for the Lok Sabha lower Sabha. Electoral history. What is the elections history? India had its first general elections in 1951. First elections our country conducted 1951. Note the important points. Girls, which was won by the Indian National Congress. A political parties what party that went on to dominates subsequently elections. Units 1977 when a non-Congress government was formed for the first time in Independence India. In recently, the gods Indian politics political parties recently regards Indian politics as became domestic affairs. Political parties are very essential in any political system to act as a link between the Wait, Nana. Jyoti is waiting our class. Invite now. Invite అవ్వట్లే ఎందుకు నానా? Okay, Nana, continue our class. Political parties are very essential in any political system to act as a link between the citizens and the government and between the electorate and the representative institutions. Political parties bring awareness among the people on various political issues and help in formation of opinions. For formation of the opinions. Monica is waiting our class. I invite Nana. So, continuation our class goes. Further, a political parties articulate the interest of the people and ventilated the grievances before the government. Government follows our elections. Elections planning in 19, first of all, our introduce first election, important of the first election start our country. Girls, ఫస్ట్ మనకి ఎప్పుడు ఎలక్షన్స్ అయ్యాయి? జనరల్ ఎలక్షన్స్ ఇన్ విచ్ ఇయర్? హలో హలో ఇన్ విచ్ ఇయర్ గర్ల్స్?